Oh yeah. It is a brisk, cool day today. Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here. Going out on a little bit of a ride before work. And that is actually something I do not want to talk about today. Although I have had some good stuff going on at work. But today what I want to talk about is an experience I had on my way into work. And it's something that has never happened to me before, and it was so cool. I was driving along. It was actually basically on this road. I can keep on taking this all the way out to my employer, and it eventually splits off into a 4-lane divided road. So there's a good sized median between these 2 lanes and those 2 lanes. And I'm sitting there just riding along, you know, get out to that 4-lane divided area, and in my mirror I see a bike in the background behind me. And it's like, oh cool, somebody else is out riding, you know. And I noticed that they were slowly gaining up on me, and so I you know, I don't speed or anything, so I'm doing the 40-mile-an-hour speed limit, and eventually they catch up to me, and I glanced over and I see it's another Vulcan. It's the 1700 Vaquero. It was like, oh cool, so I shouted over to him because it looks like a newer model. I would say probably either a 21 or a 23 model. So I just hollered over to him. It's like, hey, nice Vulcan. And he actually shouted back, I watch your videos. I could not believe that. He says that he was coming up on the roadway and he saw me drive past and he had to come see if it was me. And yeah, I thought that was so cool. I've never been approached by a person anywhere saying that, you know, they have watched my videos or anything like that. You know, I haven't been filling up at a gas station and someone come over and say, hey, are you the chef hiker biker guy? I've never had that happen. And to have that happen here in Beloit, and while I was actually riding, not actually stopped somewhere, I thought that was so cool. So we just kind of shouted back and forth to each other, and he went down Cranston Road and I continued on to my employer. So yeah, that was fun. I just had to share that story with you. That bring a smile to my face, and I think I actually made a post of it when it originally happened. So I think by the time you guys are seeing this video, I made that post probably 3 weeks ago or something like that. And as you can guess, I'm still not fit enough to go hiking, and I'm still not home at night to do any cooking. Hence the reason I'm still out riding and doing my vlogging this way. I tell you though, the weather has been interesting. It's pretty much typical Wisconsin autumn winter, or autumn weather, not autumn winter. Although I think that could be a 5th season. And that literally like 3 days ago we were at 85 degrees. My wife actually turned the air conditioner on, and today it's in the low 50s, and the real feel I think is around like 47, I think, something like that. And it actually got colder than that last night. I think the actual temperatures actually reached down into the low mid 40s, and I had to turn the heater on this morning, turn on the furnace to heat up the house. It's like literally just a couple days ago we were turning the air conditioner on, and now we have to turn the heater on. Life in Wisconsin. Well, I think that's actually going to be it for this little vlog. I just want to tell you that story of that really cool encounter on my way into work the other day, and kind of update you on what Wisconsin weather is like. It's literally furnace one day, air conditioner the next. Always believe you can go out for your ride. Always believe you can go out for your hike. Always believe you can cook and try that new dish. And always believe heart, soul, mind, and body in yourself. Bye, guys.